What's
What's up, everybody?
that?
Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be playing Ninja Clash for the second time on this channel with good players. Hey, yo, I don't want none of that on me, bro. Hey, yo, why you squirting on me, bro? I kind of forgot how to do it. I think it's this. No, hold on. This.
Yeah, no, it's really hard to remember, but I got used to it. I
Yeah, I just remember Fireball Jutsu at heart. Okay, can you like do like non-teams, please?
What does that mean?
Shut your
Can you like,
click on team battle and click on free for all if that even says that.
team? Okay, do free for all.
Can you do free for all, please?
I gotta go.
All right, then I'll make my own then.
Okay, let me remember your name. Naruto.
Yeah, I'm gonna make my own. Nah, it could be different skill levels. I don't care. Water jet jutsu. I gotta remember.
Can you change maps and put it on
Oh,
teams?
what's good? Put it on teams, bro. We just did teams before. Hold on. I'll just do free for all for right now, bro.
City. I like the map.
I'm trying to do city. Hold on a second.
Change it right here.
I'm
Change it
trying.
right here.
I'm literally clicking city and it. Oh, finally, it wants to. Finally,
Yeah,
it worked. Finally, it worked. It didn't want to work.
I know.
I forgot to turn my chakra on. Ow! 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 That hurt. Yo, chill. It's not this serious. Black flash! I snuck up on you, bro. Black flash! I'm about to black flash you. Black flash! Black flash, bro. How did he hit me? I swear I black flashed him first. I hit him first. Say goodbye. Okay, somebody rage quit. Black flash! Oh, you're so lucky. You're the luckiest person alive. Black. Oh, wow. Black flash! I forgot to turn my chocolate sense on. Black flash!
Naruto.
I teleported to the wrong thing.
Goodbye.
Black flash!
Bro's breaking my game. Every time you use that electrical thing, it freezes my game up.
What the hell was that? How did I to the bro? That is so hard to remember for some reason, but I can remember Fireball Jutsu.
I adapt to moves like that.
Hello. Bro, no possible way that just happened.
I got this.
Get over here!
I got this. Take a look around you.
Black flag.
Really?
Oh,
I
so
don't
lucky.
know. I got this.
Where are you at? Wow, I killed nobody and I
That's
still.
like my first time killing
I
something.
still-
Nice.
Oh. Okay, that was fun. I'm gonna try to wait for somebody else to come. Oh, yeah, that was quick. Gojo, what's good,
Gojo!
Black. I gotta remember Water Jet, bro.
Get an easy.
Okay, yeah, I remember it now. I remember it now. Alright, I'm gonna do it. Black Flash! Bro, I Black Flashed you! What? Defeat Gojo. Well, I'm a Gojo too, but defeat Gojo. I mean Shinjuku Gojo. Or Hikari. You look like Hikari more than what you call it. Bro, this game is Naruto based, but why don't they have any? Why don't they have like Sasuke and Naruto skins, bro? Like, let's be for real. Oh wow, that wasn't supposed to happen. Say hello to my little friend. Oh wow. Black Flash!
Thank you for killing him.
Black Flash!
Bro, what? I literally jumped out the way. What is this hitbox?
Yeah, they
What
got
is this
they got
hitbox?
the
Yeah, no,
they
the
got
hitboxes
they got
are really-
they got the later in any they got delay in every single.
Goodbye, goodbye.
What you mean I'm gay? This is my like first time getting on almost. I haven't played this game in a while. No! I almost freaking teleported to a freaking zone. Why did I do that? I know I'm not gonna land that. Why did I do that? Where's the other dude at? How did the other dude die? Oh, you must have died to the barrier then. Fuck! No, I'm about to hit the barrier. I have no chakra. What am I supposed to do?
But this guy is a runner, bro. Yeah, I think
I'm a
this guy
runner,
is an actual runner. I say we'll target him. Like you can't even look at him and he's gonna run. I know his team on him. Okay.
Fine then, go ahead. One dead. Oh no, that's Fireball Jutsu. That's gonna land on me, bro. Fuck. I can't do anything. I can't do anything. I have no chakra. I can't do anything. Yeah, I can't do anything. I
The
have...
runner.
Oh, that's not where my body is, though, bro.
What's that?
Where are you at, bitch? Ow, that hurt. Okay. Ow, fuck! Why are you spamming? I can't do anything, fuck.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's not where my body is. My body's right behind you.
No, it's not actually.
It's right behind you.
That's where your ghost is behind you.
Okay, let's go. dead.
I had bro kill himself. I was trying to get bro like, cause I see he used the fireball.
You're not even aiming at me, and that's hitting me. Fuck. Holy water spammers. God damn. God damn, do y'all use any other moves? Okay, bro, you're not good. You can stop moving around. Sensitivity so low. Where'd you go?
If you don't kill it.
Okay, now you've just been spamming me like Kojitsu. You're not gonna win like that.
I've been spamming, bro. You're water spamming. What are you talking about? I can't be talking. What am I spamming, bro? I'm using all moves.
Again, I get it.
You're supposed to run in this game if you don't have chakra, bro. Like, what are you supposed to do? Just stand there like an idiot and get killed? Oh, I can't do anything, bro. And I'm getting targeted by the whole entire lobby now. Okay, that's fine.
The red guy fight.
That's fine. I'm getting targeted by the whole thing. Okay, that's fine.
Yo, what? Nobody's targeting. Nope.
That's fine. That's okay. That's fine. That's alright. I don't care, honestly.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
I can't do anything. I can't do anything. Come here. Watch that. That's what I'm saying. This game has delay. That's what I'm saying. Ah! Oh, fuck. Damn it, substitution. Fuck.
I don't know how the.
I know what I'm gonna do.
Not behind him.
Okay, there we go.
Like the red guy isn't even doing anything. Y'all are calling him out.
No! Fuck. Teleport.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Oh no, hell no. I have no chakra. What am I supposed to do? Watch I die. Watch I die. Watch I die. See, watch I die. See?
I got that point.
I gotta run so I could get chakra and then I can kill you.
I say we all kill him first. I say we all kill him first so we can't win. No, it's bannable if you team.
Fuck. Come here, come here, come here! Bro, what? I'm hitting you! I'm hitting you! I'm hitting you!
Go ahead, Ben.
Finally! Damn! Okay, hold on a second, hold on a second. Hold on, I'm trying to do something.
Like,
Okay.
oh my gosh, the only move this guy uses is fireball.
And you've seen me
I mean, what were
use
you doing? You were
chakra.
hiding up there.
Retarded person. There There we go. I killed you with another move. There we go. And then I use that, and then you still get mad. I use that, and you're still mad. See, bro? Can't do anything about that. Oh yeah, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. No, bro. Every time somebody's in the air and I want to black flash them, it doesn't work.
I mean, maybe because they're in the air.
No, I know. I mean, like, I can't even put my hand sign together to even do it.
Why are you glazing me? This guy's a glazer. This guy's a glazer. Yeah, kill Gojo first. Actually, you died
What?
first.
Bro.
Yo, I'm not glazer.
Hello. I dare you to come up here. I dare you to come up here.
Good job, Naruto.
Okay.
How'd you die first? That was kind of sad.
That was
And you keep going for me because you're.
Oh yes, I like. Good thing I'm recording this, bro. Just die. Oh, so lucky. Oh no. Oh my goodness. He just spams fireball. Oh my god. He's just spamming fireball.
Like, what is this glaze?
He's just spamming fireball. Oh my god. He used it one time and he's spamming fireball. Oh my goodness.
The glaze is crazy.
And you're just humping this person. That's kind of gay. If you don't stop doing that, you're gay as hell. Black flash him. Good job, my guy. Good job, Gojo. Good job.
Is like at an insane level. Okay, no, I'm just gonna.
Okay, this dude's just talking about glaze. Like, this guy's just talking about glaze, so you need to die.
Oh my god, okay.
You need to die.
Now y'all are getting reported. It's bannable to team. No, literally bannable to team. So.
Y'all were literally teaming on me earlier, and I didn't say anything about no freaking fucking what you call them. Y'all were literally teaming on me earlier, and you didn't say nothing about that. But oh, when you're getting teamed on, oh, it's a problem. Oh, okay, I see. It's a problem when somebody else, when you're getting targeted. Like, come on, bro.
Penny, you suck.
Contradicting
you team on
yourself.
everybody, but when it happens to you, you get mad.
How does he suck and you died first? Your booty cheeks. Leave like a good little boy that you are. Why did I do that? Why? Why did I do that? I regret my life choice now. Where? Where? What? Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. I'm taking that out. I'm taking that out. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? What's the other person? Did you kill him? Bro. Oh yeah, I'm dead.
How you doing?
Oh yeah, what's good? I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. No.
No, I had it right here, but I just see him come up because I have my
I don't know.
I have my chakra sense on, and so I see him come down, so I immediately just went for him and killed him.
Okay, I'm gonna send myself up high in the air. I'm gonna send myself up high in the air. Hold on. Oh yeah, this is high enough.
No, back up.
Goodbye, goodbye.
No.
Nice. But I need a win, bro. There's no way. I need a win. There's no possible way
No,
I
I
lose with
think
0 wins. There's no way I lose with 0 wins. Lucky.
Bro, are you stupid? There's not like a.
No, please. Black flash. What? I hit you first. I hit you first. Bro. I
You
hit
didn't
you
have
first.
enough chakra.
I hit you first. I hit you with the black flash. I saw that. I'm literally recording a video from my YouTube, and you can look at it. Bro, I hit you.
Like this, ready? Hold up, duck down. I went like this. I went.
Bro, I was
hit
like
you
this,
like
and I
that.
hit you first, and then you could declare the winner, bro. Nah, bro. I'm locking in, bro. I'm locking in. Black flash. Bro, what? What kind of? What is that? What is this? What the fuck is that? I wish I still had chakra sense on. Woo! That was good. That was good right there. That was good.
No that.
Already a rage quit? Already? Bruh. Never use Chidori on me again like that. Okay, bet I got some for that. Say goodnight. Where are you? Ah! Black flag, what? Bro. This game racist, bro. I'm telling you, this game is racist. I hit him first. The delay on this game is just crazy. I'm about to start doing everything at max speed. Okay, well, shit, I'm moving too fast. Hello. How are you doing today? God damn it. Will of D, bro. Come on.
Will of Dick.
I'm locking in now.
Start the game, hurry up,
Nezuko. This is a Nezuko. Bro, this is a Naruto game. This is not no Demon Slayer game. Not that they have one. Person's good. Where are you at? Are we being dead ass right now, bro? Bro? I hit her first, bro. I hit him first, I knew.
I saw that.
I would do a fireball if I were you. If I even had enough chakra to. Bro, we gotta beat Nezuko, bro. We gotta beat Nezuko.
No double teaming.
We're
not double teaming.
We're double teaming, bro. We gotta double team, bro. Like, bro. I gotta teleport to that so I can get.
Focusing.
Oh, bro. Bro, she's the girlish version of me, bro. She's the woman version of me, bro.
Oh, she did.
Nezuko. Bro, I'm gonna call Zenitsu up in here, bro. I'm gonna call Zenitsu up in here. Oh, yo, you're the snake guy from Demon Slayer, I guess. I don't know. Black Flash.
Yo, he's not the demon.
I killed. Bro, I'm about to actually start crashing. My screen went black. What the hell was that? Oh, okay, I found the glitch. If you go towards this building right here, your screen completely turns black. Let me see if it's like that for all of them. Nope, just this one. I think it's a certain spot because it's not working anymore. Oh, you have to be facing the right side. At least I can still see the circle. Please kill Nezuko, bro.
Look at that nigga. He's doing bad.
That's what I'm saying. This little girl or little boy or whoever this person is. I don't even want to fight her anymore, bro. I missed. Finally! Damn! Finally! God damn! Finally! Lord! Where you going, nigga? Where you going, nigga? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, bitch? Where the fuck you going? Fuck you. Fuck you going. Little ass kid. Where the fuck you going? Come on, bro. You got him. You got him. You got him. Oh. Ain't nobody joining that bitch ass server. Fucking Nezuko rage quit because I killed her twice. Like, where the fuck is you going, bro? You can't fucking hide from me, bitch. Black Flash. Why did that not work? Oh yeah, you're dead now. Black Flash.
Double teamer, reporting you to the Discord.
You baby to the VR. Louis, bro, you didn't even spell that name right. Bro, it's Naruto 2B. Louis.
Okay, he had a fireball jutsu ready for me. Nobody joining Nezuko's server, bro. The fuck? Nobody feel like 1v1 no damn British kid.
Bro, you haven't got a point.
He's not. She's not. Who he or she that's posing as a girl is not good. I like getting toxic content. Okay, you're dead. Okay. God, why do you do this to me? Okay.
Well, he left because he got rage baited, so yeah.
Yeah, everybody left because they're rage baiting. Okay, Gojo. Your team Gojo, but why are you wearing Shinjuku clothes? Okay. Yeah, that's. And why do you have black hair? His hair is white, you know. And yeah. What the hell was y'all just doing to me? What the? Okay, I forgot to turn my chakra sense on. No wonder why. Okay, back to top.
Start to go down.
I was falling and he still hit me with his kunai.
I don't know how.
I was falling with my face down and he still hit me with a freaking kunai. There's no possible way that just happened. Oh man, okay, I'm gonna go fight those two over there. Bro, why does that always not work out for me? Dead. Why did I keep what did I teleport to that? I hit you with a fucking black flash! What the fuck? Fuck. I can't move. I can't do anything. I gotta run. Oh, yes, perfect. Black flash.
You got me on the ground too.
Yeah, damn. Set flying. Lucky. No! I have no chakra. I have no chakra. I hit you first, bro. I hit you first. You gotta be kidding me. I hit you first.
No, I may look like some freaking Michael Jackson right now. Leaning back on the back.
Cooked. But what? What the fuck are you at? Okay, what? Okay, yeah, hacks. Nah. Nah, bro. Nah.
Okay, I get your like.
Punch her in the head.
Nah, but hold on, let me try something real quick. Okay, yeah, I wanted to turn it though. Why can I not use why can I not put my hands together, man? Fuck! She fucking retarded. Why's my hand stuck? Okay, of course my hand wants to die as soon as the fuck. Oh my goodness, what is wrong? Okay, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. I'm gone, bro. Fuck.